Hello everybody, this is Daniel from China Gadgets Reviews. In this video we'll have a sound test on Xiaomi Squarebox Mi Bluetooth speaker. This one, the new Bluetooth speaker from Xiaomi. Okay, you can buy this device from gearbiz.com online store for only $20 with free shipping. Okay, you can play music on this Squarebox only from Bluetooth devices. Okay, so first of all you have to turn the power on. So now you have to use a Bluetooth device to play music, like this one. This is Ruizu X06 Bluetooth player. Okay, go in there, just go in Bluetooth search, and we have Mi Bluetooth speaker, this one, Mi Bluetooth speaker, and now we are connected. Go back, now go back, all songs, and go to music. The bass is so strong. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.